Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time I got a couple more boxes, and so yeah, stay tuned to see what I got this time. So I just got back from vacation and these boxes were here waiting for me at home, and they do sort of look like shoe boxes, and they are shoes. So let's go ahead and let me open up this one first. Just make sure that this is the one that I received first. So yeah, this is my first box that I received, and let's go ahead and open that up. Here is my blade, and let's go ahead and open them. Okay, so here is the box, and it is another Yeezy 350. But can you guys guess what color I got? Alright, so let me open it up, and I am really excited about these. Wow, okay. So here is the shoe, and it is in the yellow. I think it's called not exactly sure what colorway they call this on the box, but they are also called the Yeebras. They are a yellow version of the zebra, which I also have right here. I have not used this yet, but yeah, so here are the two shoes together, and this one I made sure to get in a size 11 because that is a perfect size for me. I thought, you know, these shoes varied in sizes with the different colorways, but I've come to find out that they do run a little bit small, and so I would recommend getting 1/2 size up. So I'm normally a 10.5, and so for all of these shoes I have been getting a size 11. For this shoe I did get true to size, which is 10.5, and I sort of regret that because they do fit a little bit tight. I did try to get you know, a size 11 in this on you know, for retail, but I was not able to get that order through, and so I am stuck with a 10.5. Now, they will stretch over time a little bit after wearing them, and so I am not too worried about, you know, keeping this pair in particular. Alright, so that is this pair. As you can see, it is yellow, and the part here that's not yellow is sort of like a bluish purple gray, and it has a gum sole, which I really appreciate because this one you can see is white, and that makes me nervous with wearing them because I know it's gonna get dirty really fast. But with this one I don't really have to worry too much about that, and I do appreciate that this bright yellow design is, you know, bright, because all the other Yeezys that I have are, you know, in the whitish sort of neutral colorway, and now I have a bright one. I wish they came in like brighter colors like blue, royal blue, bright green, and things like that, but hopefully in the future they do come out with those colorways. And so yeah, so this is the first shoe that I got, and I did get this on, I believe, the Champs website. And the nice thing about this shoe in particular is that before this release, this was the most limited ever shoe to come out. But I'm sure now it's not, because this shoe was sitting for the whole day, and it was released I think like at 10 a.m. and I had meetings all day that day, but I was still able to get it later that afternoon. So if you are interested in, you know, buying Yeezys, these shoes aren't very hard to get anymore. Alright, let me just leave that outside the box right here so I could bring out this one. And you guys probably know, if you are into shoes at all, or, you know, into Yeezys, you'll probably know what this one is, because this is the other colorway and that recently came out. And let me take this box out. So it is another Yeezy 350. Oh my gosh, okay, too many boxes. Let me put these over here. And so this is really the only silhouette that I like, the 350. I'm not really a big fan of the 500 or the 700. I just like this one. So let me open this up. And I got the static. And this is the non-reflective version. And so the actual shoe itself does not have any reflective material. It is only in the shoelaces. And so if I were to shine a, could I see? I guess it has to be under a flash for the these to light up. Let me actually no. Anyway, so that is the Yeezy Static. And the nice thing about this one, and the different part, is that this little window right there, that is see-through. And so if you wanted to wear a bright colored sock, a red sock, or you know, a bright blue sock, that color would shine or would come out right through there. And so I do have another surprise for you guys, that I was able to get another one of these shoes, but in the reflective version, but I have not got that one yet, and that's why I'm not you know, unboxing it with you guys here today. So you guys will have to wait for that one, and maybe when that one comes I will do a comparison between that shoe and this shoe right here, and hopefully I'll be able to take some pictures with a flash to show you guys the differences between this shoe and that shoe. And so just quickly, let me share with you guys my collection. So I only started collecting Yeezys when I could get a hold of them at retail cost, because I do not like paying resale for anything, and that includes shoes. And so let me start out with the very first pair that I got. And they were the triple whites, or these are also called the creams. And so here is this one. I have not worn these yet. I am scared to death to wear these because they are so white. Even the soles are white. And then the next pair that I got were the zebras, and I've already shown you guys these. Alright, and again, the bottom of these shoes are white. I have not worn these yet, and these are in a 10.5, so they are a little snug, but you know, I'll live with them. The next pair that I got are these, and these are the Sesames, and I can tell you that I wore these throughout my entire vacation. I went to Disneyland. I was walking over 10 miles a day. And these shoes they are the most comfortable shoe in the world pretty much, and that is why I'm trying to get as many of the different colorways that I can. because I really believe in this shoe. Even though I don't really, you know, support Kanye and his politics, I can tell you he makes a pretty damn mean shoe. And so that is why I love this shoe. And yeah, I mean, they are a little dirty, and this has a gum sole also, and so I wasn't too worried about wearing this and traveling with them. And I have sprayed them with this product right here, which is crepe. And let me tell you, the tops of the shoe, there is not a mark on them. And so that spray, I will definitely be spraying on these shoes before I wear them. But I will also be spraying all of these shoes before I wear them with that spray, because I don't want them to get dirty, or I don't want them to look all dingy. And so yeah, so that's all I really wanted to share with you guys for this video. Stay tuned for more videos, because I just got back from vacation, like I said, and I'm still trying to readjust to the snow here. And actually it has been pretty nice the past few days. When I got back, and I took a little vacation in Chicago for a few days, I got back here to Minnesota and it was 0 degrees Fahrenheit, and so it was freaking cold. And for the past few days it has been like around 45 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and so it's been a nice heat wave for a change, and I've just been trying to enjoy you know, that while it lasts. But yeah, so that's all for this video. Hope you liked it, and just remember, until next time, and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.